fire.
Behind that AC.
Hey. I got him. Hey, go. Let's get down there. Yeah.
You guys down inside? Woods, let me know. I'll jump in.
Rappel down.
Let me know when you're set on your respective positions.
And we got intel.
Got intel.
Keep digging the hole.
Moving down, moving down.
Shooting through the fucking door.
Alright, I got door.
Hey, wait one. I got bang. Go.
We have a bird down on the roof, so watch for explosion.
Bang out.
Good chance, you good?
Go.
Go, go.
There.
Alright, let's hold this floor. 2-3's holding first floor, or third floor. I need to
Fine.
come out for a second.
Keep going.
Magazine.
Push.
Alright, hold.
Pushing.
Adams, is there anyone below you?
Nah, I fucked him up.
On the way.
You're good to go.
Alright, let's go. On me.
I'm pretty banged up. Going down.
Alright, follow that team down. We'll
Hey, he's back up.
Contact
Keep
down.
moving, I'll be last.
Hey, I need fucking bang on me.
Moving.
That's not an openable door.
Moving, Fred.
Is it not? Alright,
I'm on your right, Raider.
next.
Moving.
I'm managing.
Keep clearing down.
Alright, keep moving down.
Chance, you good?
Yep, we're good.
Moving pot.
You good, Higgins?
Yeah, I'm good.
Roger, I'm on you.
Hey, this floor's clear. Reloading.
Pushing past Pine. He's down.
I got a
He's
bang
down.
in my leg, keep
Got
moving.
another body.
Gonna have friendly coming in ground.
He's down.
Hey,
Blue,
first
blue.
floor, bottom floor.
Got him. Blue,
Hey,
blue, blue.
friendlies coming in through front door. We got
Blue,
friendlies
blue.
coming in through the front door.
Hey, you got side door open.
2 down.
All
Yeah,
teams,
I'm
let me
going
know
to
if
the
you have eyes on HVT. Let me know.
Look for Blue Beret.
Watch out, fucking ice.
Slow into
No Blue Beret.
Get in the fucking room rated.
Yeah, I'm healing right now.
Looks like we got the HVT outside the main building.
Hey, they have them outside.
Copy, interior is clear.
User joined your channel.
Hey, can so? Hey, teammates, confirm if HVI is captured.
That is good. Shooting the right leg. Where is this man?
Roger, do we have a body bag?
Yeah, I have it about that.
Hey, Woods, I'm gonna move to the
Roger,
back
let's
door
get
and
him
hold
in
for your
the body
security.
bag, Get him in the bird. Let
Copy,
me know who's in the
Virginia.
bird. We can push.
Cheers, over here, behind the speaker.
Sorry, Viz, crossed you.
That's it.
Good.
Yep.
Right here.
Warranty, warranty, Cherokee.
Just making sure all these guys are dead.
Yeah, Roger.
But he's
Grab his
confirmed,
fucking tags.
Good job,
Alright, we're good.
That's
Taken.
guy for sure.
Alright, everything's done.
Hey,
Alright.
where's the HVT?
We're not gonna body bag him. We got his hat. We got his shit. That's
Okay.
good.
Roger.
Let's make our way to 1-4.
HVT is KIA break. We have his dog tag in his
All teams
beret.
make your way towards
Requesting permission
1-4.
to push to next objective.
Alright, let's start moving out to 1-4.
LZ, 1-4.
Roger,
Making
1-4.
our way towards
Two,
1-4
good
LZ.
Roger, Tango.
Okay, guys. we
All
are
teams
moving
be
for,
advised,
red
we are
1-4. This is our
Confirmed, ready to push to next
Let's go.
position. Break.
Copy.
Let's
Oh, we're
get
gonna
all
get up
teams
as
ready
well.
to go to push to next.
Coming out, pushing
objective.
past.
Over.
2-2,
Oh,
A
fuck,
firm.
we can't get up as well.
On you, Harris. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Birds, at this time we are ready for pickup. Over.
Higgins, can you hear me transmit on 3-5?
Yeah, I think I heard you at some point. Can you hear me?
No, that's what I'm wondering. The only flight was Cherokee 2.
Gabriel, go right side.
Oh yeah, my radio's bust. Dragons.
Yeah.
My radio's bust.
Your radio's fucked?
Yep.
Alright. Roger, we are ready for pickup. Over.
Alright, we'll hold here.